Scott here with Surface Shore. Today we are going to go through a calf rollout. We're going to start nice and high on the calf, really trying to work our way down. You can figure out different types of rolling if you just want to go straight up and down, you want to go a little side to side. I'll also go through a couple different techniques. You can just go sitting, side to side, move it around a little bit, toe in, toe out, really hit those different sides. Outside the calf is typically a little more uncomfortable. You have another little bone that goes out through here. Typically matching muscle into bone. It's not always the most comfortable, so don't be too worried if it is a little bit more sore over there. You can also do a little bit of a depression lift, get a little tricep workout as well. And you can kind of roll up and down. If you feel like you need a lot more pressure, you can add other foot on top, go side to side. You can also do a lift off with that. So really make sure you go top all the way down to the bottom. You don't have to go all the way into the Achilles, but muscle will kind of stop about 2/3 of the way down. So really make sure that you are rolling out all the way down through there. Get it moving, get blood flow moving. It's a really good way to loosen up calves. A lot of times you won't know calves are tight until you start rolling around with the ball. They'll be a little uncomfortable. That is okay. Keep working on it. Everything will be good. Try it out, see what you think.